A very good afternoon to each and everyone. How are you all doing, my dear students?
Thank you. How are you? We are fine.
Fine, thank you very much. My dear students, today we will be revising lesson number 4, the title of which is The Lazy Squirrel. The Lazy Squirrel. For that, I request everybody to be on page number 24. 24.
Ma'am, which book?
Literature textbook Veda. I have sent the message in the morning itself. Okay, let me share the screen. I request Afreen to unmute her device and start reading the first paragraph of the lesson.
Okay,
Please
ma'am.
read.
Winter was coming. The animals of the forest.
No, please read properly.
Okay, ma'am.
Winter was
Winter was
coming.
The animals of the forest were getting ready for the cold days.
All
the squirrels
all the squirrels were. All right. All the squirrels were.
All the squirrels were
working
hard.
Okay.
They were
looking
for nuts to
keep
for the winter.
Okay. Except
For sunny.
Okay.
Into the enjoy the good
enjoy the good weather. While it lasts.
He told the
Friends.
the sunny.
He told his friends Sammy
and
Benny. Sammy and Benny.
There is a lot
of time to find nuts. Okay, quite good, my dear. But you need to practice reading regularly so that you can improve the fluency of reading. Okay? Yes, you're struggling to read some of the words, so please practice reading regularly.
Okay.
Then you will be able to read in a much better way. Okay, my dear? Okay. So in the first paragraph of the lesson, we try to understand that winter was coming. It is just going to begin. And the animals living in the forest were getting ready to face the cold days. How were they getting ready? All the squirrels were working very hard. Doing what? They were looking for nuts to keep for the winter. What were they doing? They were looking for nuts to keep for the winter. Only one squirrel was not working hard. Who is that? Sunny. Except for Sunny. The meaning of except is except. Yes, very good. Except means other than. Other than. And Sunny said, enjoy the good weather while it lasts. He told his friends, Sammy and Benny. He told two of his friends, Sammy and Benny, please enjoy the good weather while it lasts. There is still a lot of time to find nuts. Still, there is a lot of time for us to find the nuts. Let's continue enjoying the good weather till it lasts. Okay, Rose, continue reading.
Sunny was a very lazy squirrel. He would lie under the sun in the daytime.
In the daytime.
At other times, he would nap on the branches of trees.
Sometimes he would
nap on the branches.
pick up.
I don't like
Pick up a nut
and throw it at
Sammy.
Sammy's friend and
And
"Stop
say,
working and play with me." Sammy would play
hide and seek.
with Sunny.
But
After some time, Sammy would go
back to work. I don't like to work, Sunny would say. Sunny would say. Okay, very good, Rose. Thank you. So in the second paragraph, we come to know that Sunny was a very lazy squirrel, and that is why he did not like to work. Let us see what would he do throughout the day. During the daytime, what would he do? He would lie under the sun during the daytime, and at other times he would nap. Where? On the branches of trees. Where would Sunny take a nap? On the branches of trees. Do you remember the meaning of nap?
A short sleep.
Very good. Nap means a short sleep. And sometimes he would pick up a nut and throw it at Sammy, his friend. And what would he say? He would say, stop working. Come and play with me. And both Sunny and Sammy would play one game for some time. What is that game which they played together? Hide and seek. Hide and seek, yes. Then after playing hide and seek for some time, Sammy would go back to work. But Sunny, would he go back to work? No. He would say, I don't like to work. Sunny would say, and he would continue playing or just sleeping or being lazy. He does not like to work. Okay. Daksha Lakshmi, continue reading from soon. Soon, the weather.
Can I tell weather?
Soon, the weather. Yes, Daksha, read. Soon, yeah, soon the weather.
Soon the weather turned very cold.
Sunny
realized that he did not have much food. He decided that it was time to go looking for nuts. He searched among the fallen leaves, but there were no nuts. The other squirrels Had
Squirrels. Squirrels. Squirrels.
squirrels
Had taken.
had taken them all.
Okay.
What,
What am I?
what am I going to do? Sunny thought. I
Sunny thought.
Sunny thought.
Thought.
I don't have enough food to last all winter.
I wish.
I hadn't been so lazy.
I hadn't been so lazy.
I hadn't been so lazy.
Okay, very good.
Thank you.
Okay,
ma'am.
Daksha, you're trying to read well. Now, in this particular paragraph, we come to know that winter season has already started. And what kind of, how do we feel during the winter season? It turns very cold, very cold. And when the weather started turning cold, that time only Sunny realized or understood that he did not have much food with him. And then he decided that it was time to go looking or searching for nuts. And then Sunny started searching for nuts. Where all did he search? Among the fallen leaves. He searched among or in between the fallen leaves, but there were no nuts. Did he get any nuts there? No, he did not get any nuts. Why? Who had taken? Yes, very good. The other squirrels had taken them all. And then Sunny started thinking. The past tense of think is thought. Do you remember?
Yes,
He started thinking, what am I going to do now? I don't have enough food to last all winter. I don't know what to do now. And that is the time when he realized that he should not have been so lazy. Otherwise, would he come into that situation if he had not been lazy? Would that situation happen with him? No, right? He would also have, like the other squirrels, he would also have had enough nuts with him if he had not been lazy. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Samanvaya, read the last paragraph.
Luckily, his friends Sammy and Benny were helpful and kind. They shared their nuts with him. The next summer, Sunny helped his friends and collect food. He decided that he would never be lazy again.
Okay, very good, Samanvaya. You have tried to read it very well. And
Thank you,
finally, his friends, two of his best friends, Sammy and Benny, came to help him. Why? Why did they come to help him? Why did they get ready to help him? He was lazy. He did not work with his friends. Still, his friends were ready to help him. Why?
Because his friends were very helpful and
Kind, absolutely right. Very good. Samanvaya. Sammy and Benny were helpful and kind. That is the reason they got ready to help lazy Sunny, right? How did they help him? They shared their nuts with him. How did they help? They shared their nuts with him. And the next summer, next year, again in the summer season, Sunny also helped his friends and collected food. And he took a decision. What is the decision that he took? He decided that he would never be lazy again. What is the decision that Sunny took? He decided that he would
never be lazy again.
never be lazy again. Very good. So this is the lesson that Sunny learned from this experience. And after that, he decided that he would never be lazy again. My dear students, are you able to remember what all we have learned in this particular lesson?
Yes.
Yes? Okay.
Yes.
Let us do a quick discussion about the exercises.
Yes.
Yeah. Ryan Ramis, tell me the meaning of accept. E-X-C-E-P-T. Accept.
Other than.
Others, please wait.
Accept means.
Ryan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me. Accept means
Means other
other, only other.
than.
Spelling.
O-T-H-E-R
Hmm.
T-H-E-N.
A-N.
A-N.
Other than. Other than. Accept means other than.
Next up.
Other than. Okay, Ryan. Good. Dia KP, what is the meaning of lazy?
Not active.
Spelling.
N-O-T. Not active. A-C-T-I-U.
V-E. A-C-T-I-V-E. Active. Not active. Okay, very good, Dia. Thank you. Andrea, what is the meaning of nap?
A short sleep.
A short sleep. What is the spelling of short?
S-H-O-R-T.
Sleep.
S-L-E-E-P.
Okay, very good, Andrea. Thank you, my dear. Nap means a short sleep. Okay, very good. My dear students, are you able to recollect? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Dear CS, read the first question and tell me the answer.
Why were all the students working hard?
Very good.
They were looking for nuts for the winter.
They were?
Looking for nuts for the winter.
Okay, very good. Thank you, dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Abel, read the second question and tell me the answer.
Okay, ma'am. What did Sunny do when the weather turned very cold? Sunny went looking for nuts.
Sunny went
Looking for nuts.
looking for nuts. Okay, very good. Thank you, my
you,
dear.
ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Anmia Regal, unmute. Read the third question.
How did Sunny friends help him?
How did Sunny's friends help him? We discussed it just now.
Sunny helped his.
No. Yeah.
Sunny helped his friends and connected food.
No, my dear. Anmia, read the question. Read the question again.
How did Sunny friends help him?
How did Sunny's friends help him? How did they help him?
They
Afrin, stop playing there.
helpful and
No, my dear. Anmia, how did Sunny's friends help him?
I don't know, ma'am.
Anmia, read the last paragraph of the lesson. Luckily,
His friends Sammy and Benny were helpful, the kind,
and kind. After that,
they
shared. They shared.
the
Their.
nuts with him.
Okay, now you tell me, how did they help Sunny? What did they do? How did they help?
Share
They shared
their
Yes, understood the answer, Anmia?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Is it clear to you now?
Yes.
Okay. See, we should not say, I don't know, ma'am. You should try to find out the answer. We have already done this, right?
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay. No problem, Anmia. Can you tell me the answer one more time? This is how we learn. It's okay to make mistakes.
Shared the
Hmm?
nuts with him.
Who shared their nuts? We should not use pronouns when we begin any answer. So how should we write it properly?
Sunny
Who
friends.
are they here?
Sunny friends.
Sunny's
Sunny friends.
friends.
Sunny friends.
What did they do?
Share the nuts with him.
See, you got the answer yourself, right, Anmia?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very good, Anmia. This way you have to try. Keep trying. If it is wrong also, it's okay. But that is how we should learn. Okay, Anmia?
Okay, ma'am.
Are you a little more confident now?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good, Anmia. Good girl. Thank you.
Answer these questions.
Sorry?
I don't answer these questions. That's why I don't know.
Okay. Why didn't you do that?
I forgot that.
Okay. Do it right away, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Not forget that. I forgot. Past tense, right? It's already over. Forgot. Prithvi? Yeah. Prithvi, read the fourth question and tell me the answer.
Okay, ma'am. Sunny was left.
No, fourth question. Number 4.
How was the next
Summer. How was the next summer?
How was the next summer
Different.
different for Sunny?
Okay. Tell me.
Sunny
He decided to do something, right, Prithvi? What was that?
Sunny decides not
Decided.
decided not to be lazy again.
Very good. Sunny decided not to be lazy again. Fantastic, Prithvi. You gave me the complete answer. Okay. Now we have to discuss the past tense forms of some of the selected words that we have learned. Keep your devices muted. Only the student whom I ask will give me the answer. Okay? Sahasra, unmute. Past tense of is. Past tense of is. Sahasra. What is the past? Devdarsh, sit properly. Past tense of is. He is going to school. What if the same thing happens a day before? Yesterday, how would you say?
It is a very cold
day. Okay, today. It is a very cold day. If you're talking about today, the weather today, it's okay to say it is a very cold day. But what about if the day, the earlier one, yesterday? Instead of is, what will we use?
It was.
Yes, very good. So what is the past tense of is?
Was.
Was, very good. That's where you need to keep in mind. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Sahasra. The past tense of is was. W-A-S. Was. Smriti, unmute. Past tense of keep. Yes. Past tense of keep. Past tense of keep. And Mia, please wait. Smriti, past tense of keep. I cannot hear you.
Keep.
Keep. K-E-E-P. Keep. What is the past tense?
Keep.
I keep my books on the table. If that is done a previous day or a previous week, then how would you say? Keep. The past tense.
Ma'am, can I say?
No, please wait. Please wait. Anthony, try. Past tense of keep.
Kept.
Kept. Very good. Spelling.
K-E-P-T.
K-E-P-T. Kept. Okay, very good. Smriti, did you get the answer now? Thank you, Anthony. Tell me, what is the past tense of keep?
Keep.
Past tense?
Keep.
Keep is the word that I'm giving you. What is the past tense? Kept. 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 K-E-P-T. I kept my books on the table. Kept.
Kept.
Okay, Smriti?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Ashif, past tense of tell.
Told.
Very good. Spelling?
T-O-L.
D.
E.
T-O-L-D. Told. Okay, very good. And Suryesh? Suryesh, past tense of turn. Past tense of turn.
Tent.
Spelling?
T. R.
T-U-R-N.
T-U-R-N-E-D.
Yes, very good. The past tense of turn is turned. Turned. Okay, Afia. Thank you, Suresh. Afia, past tense of do.
Did.
Did. Spelling?
D-I-D.
D-I-D. Did. Okay, very good. Okay, my dear students, tell me. Did you write and learn?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am.
Show me.
Wait, I don't write. Night side.
Ishan, show me. Ishan, bring it closer. I cannot see it.
Right. You give message.
Afreen. Okay. Krishnaraj. Krishnaraj, hold it properly. Otherwise, I cannot see it clearly. If you hold it, I can see. How many times have you written, Krishnaraj? Daksha Lakshmi. Very good. Beautiful. Handwriting. Anton Sminto. Very good.
Right now, Miss.
Smriti. Smriti, did you write and learn? Yes? Still you did not remember the answer? Okay, okay. Suryesh has done.
Ma'am.
Ashif has done very nicely.
Ma'am.
Yes, Bhuna?
Ma'am, this is 2C.
No, my dear, this is 2E. Sivanidya, did you write and learn? Anthony, Shan, very good.
Ma'am,
Ishan, very good. Dia CS, very good. Arav, very good. Samanvaya, very good. Yes, yes. Who's calling? Ishan, Dia, very good. Samanvaya, Malavika.
Ma'am, I didn't write and study because my mother goes to hospital. That's why.
You can write from your notebook and learn, right? From your textbook. Sorry, not notebook, textbook. Daksha Lakshmi, very good. Brian Ramesh, okay. Ishan, very good. Diya KP, very good. Devdarsh, yes, very good, Devdarsh. Malavika, very good. Daksha Lakshmi, very good. Diya KP, yes, I already said. So, my dear students, those who have not written and learnt, I'll give you some more time. I'll be sending the link in the evening only. So, till that time, you can write and learn.
Ma'am, that
Okay?
mother has go to hospital because to scan baby.
Okay, no problem. You
No,
can
mother.
take your textbook and write and learn in your rough notebook or literature notebook. Okay, Afia?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay,
fine.
ma'am.
So, my dear students,
Thank
please,
you.
those who did not write and learn yet, please do it. Okay? Okay, thank you very much. See you in the next class. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.